Băi, când îi spun câte o chestie din asta, mă băgăm mi-aș pula. Adevărul e asta, bă, că eliberez eu. Ce-s logo stau atâta, mă, căcă-i pe mine? Nu e, o femeie dacă nu te ajută, n-are ce să-ți ofere dacă nu poate să-ți ofere. Nu mai trebuie să stau să mă gândesc foarte, foarte bine. Ce pot să fac mai departe în starea aceasta? Carcă-te, mă băga mea și pula în ea de rețea.
simple steps. You might like to make a note of them. Here's the first one. Get serious. That's number one. I don't know any substitute for that. You've really got to get serious. You don't have to be grim, but you must be serious. I know a guy that's got a half a dozen jokes keeping him from becoming wealthy. He's not known as rich. He's known as a joker. Which I guess is okay if that's the kind of life you want to live. But it really isn't the best way to live. To go from average to fortune, you must get serious. And you must get serious about two very important things. Number one is setting your goals and where you want to go. Designing the next 5, the next 10 years is so vitally important. What do you want to do economically? Where do you want to go? What do you want to be? What would you like to have? What would you like to share? How much would you like to earn? How far would you like to go? Those are some major questions to ask. And for that all to work out like you wanted to for the next 5 or 10 years, in my personal opinion, you've got to get serious. Then you have to get serious about another important subject. And that important subject is called personal development. Personal development is striving hard to become the kind of person that you want to be. And to become the...
Ce entuziasmată erai când aveai nevoie. Îmi spui de tine. Hai. Dacă ajung la 23-27, unde este Piața Operei, până ajung acasă, face 12, deci eu cu ea, pula, mă petrece mai mult la muncă, ia dați-mi un telefonul. O scos și eu telefonul, nu?